Welcome. My name is Marla Benavides, and I'm an independent representative for Usborne Books and More. And today, I'd like to share a little bit about myself and one really cool book. Okay, so let's dig in. Before I get into the book that I want to share with you, let me just quickly tell you about talk about one little thing that I've noticed even today that is still prevalent from the 1950s, 1980s when I was in school, and today in the millennial. And it's a lot of look-say educators. A lot of them tell me the following: we do teach phonics. And I'm like, really? That's really good. But I'm just going to tell you right now, that is a false claim. They don't teach phonics. They only teach a small part of it, and they teach it wrong. Because if they taught it well, most children would be reading well and proficiently by 4th grade. First, let's go take out our Webster dictionary, or whatever dictionary you have out, and let's look up the word phonics. I have mine right here. Let me turn the page. Okay, Webster's New Dictionary says, a method of teaching beginners to read and pronounce words by learning the phonetic value of letters, letter groups, and especially syllables. The key phrase is a method. That means that it's a method or a system of teaching phonics. That means that a child learns phonics and learns how to read. It's not several aids or approaches or strategies, but a method to which you learn how to read. And if we taught it in school, we would eliminate the problems we have today. And you want to know what else? This is a no-no for educators, because they're going to tell you, oh, no. There's an approach. There's a way to teach it. Try it. Why don't you ask and see what they tell you? It's funny because I know at least, I have one friend, and this one friend, the daughter is learning to read. And actually she reads. She reads really well. But she doesn't understand or read to comprehend. And so I'm wondering if they taught her by using the approach of look-say, where she learns by word recognition and by several aids, and she could just read by memory because she's so visual, and that's the way she learned. But she can't understand what she's reading because she hasn't been taught phonetically, and she doesn't understand how to decode the word, but she can understand and she could read the word because she learned it and she memorized it. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Could be. Anyways, that's my tip for today. Phonics is a method. It's not an approach. It's a method or a system of teaching kids how to read. And if we did it, we'd solve the problem we have today. But do they want to solve the problem? Does the government want to solve the problem? I don't think so. They want to keep us dumb. Yes. And it's really sad because if the child can't read, they're impervious. That means they're unable to be affected by all the opportunities that are out there for kids and for adults who can read well. Like myself. I couldn't go to law school because I couldn't read as well as I could to pass that dumb LSAT. Anyways, that's my soapbox. Okay, are you ready for the book? It's called The Wild Garden. Okay, and I know you're looking at it from a mirror image, so just put a mirror and look at it. But it looks like this, okay? And it says Wild Garden, Rub Down Transfer Book. And I think this is a really, really cool book. And in my son's words, he says, Mom, I really like these pictures. I don't really care for the drawing so much, but these pictures are beautiful. My son is a nature lover. He loves gardens and flowers and nature walks and animals. He loves adventure. He loves watching Bear Grylls. I think that's his name. And so to hear a boy say that, it's kind of cool. But these are the pictures that he was looking at, and he says these are really cool pictures, and I could probably imitate it and draw it. But a girl who has an artistic bent and who uses art as therapy will love this book. It's intricate design, and you have to color it or transfer the rub down stickers into it. So it's really, really cool. So look at these stickers. And you put it onto the page. So let's suppose you want to do this, and I don't know, and you rub it down onto it, and it sticks itself to the book. And I really think this is really pretty. It's even nice I like it for myself. And it has little birds and flowers, and really nice to give also a scripture lesson on it, on God's beauty and His creation. But I think it's really beautiful, and you should get it if you like it. Anyways, this book is only $19.99, and you could get it at my website or my web store at k4699.myubam.com. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Anyway.